Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends and family. Hopefully, you are doing really good time, and I am passing a wonderful time with Alan in here, and nobody in here to disturb me. And I am only alone in here. And why I came here? Because there have only one reason. I want to improve my English speaking skill. That's why I come here. Moreover, I want to inspire to all of you, and that is my actual target. That's why I come here and making a video for you, for all of you. Please do subscribe my channel and share this video. First of all, I want to discuss about this topic. What is the topic I have chosen for today? The topic name is how can I start our English journey? At first, you can see that this is a journey, and this is a journey, all right. But actual thing, you are only alone. You are only one for the journey. Nobody responsible for this. You are only responsible for this. Nobody help you in this field. So you are only one person who can develop your English speaking skill, who can develop your activities, who can improve your activities, who can do something better for your life. And that's why I come here, and I want to inspire to all of my dear friends and family and my dear sister, brothers. I really love all of you. That's why I want to try inspire all of my brothers, sisters, and anybody. So how can I improve our English speaking skill? You know that lots of people come in this field, but after 3 or 2 months they leave from this place. What is the reason? The actual reason is they have no confidence. Their confidence level is very poor. That's why they are leave from this place. All right, this is the actual problem to all of my dear brothers and sisters. And I know that some my dear brothers and sisters, they understand English, but they cannot speak it properly. What is the problem? The problem is they feel very shy, they feel hesitation. And another thing is they have a poor confidence. You know that the confidence is the key of success. If you cannot speak properly, if you cannot speak fluent, it doesn't matter. Carry on, and don't shy, don't hesitation. Just speak and speak and speak. You will be success one day, and I believe that you are able to speak English one day, and I really believe that you can develop your English speaking skill. So carry on. I always with you. Carry on. Inshallah, one day we will be success. So see you some other time. Take care. Assalamu alaikum. Bye bye.